Hi students, welcome to 10th standard maths class. How are you all? Hope you are all fine at home. Today I am going to explain about one new concept. First of all, so do you know what is meant by literal, numerals, term and expression? So literal means letters like alphabets A, B, C, D, so on, X, Y, Z. Numeral means numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, including 0 also. Term. Term means every literal and every numeral is a term. And expression. Expression means combination of literals and numerals. Clear? So these all concepts belongs to one chapter, the pair of linear equations in two variables. What is the chapter name? Pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, now we are going to concepts: term, exponent, expression, algebraic expression. Okay, so term. So term means a combination of four mathematical elements. So are four mathematical operations. So do you know what are the four fundamental operations? Are fundamental arithmetic operations: plus, minus, into and divide by. So these four are mathematical operations, mathematical fundamental operations. Okay, and second one, number. So number means any real number, any real number. All real numbers are known as constant terms, constant terms. Okay, number means any real number. Do you know what is meant by real number? Either natural number, whole number, integer, rational number and irrational number also. Next one, variable. Next one, variable. So variable means unknown terms. Unknown terms. What are the unknown terms? Means literals like letters A, B, C, D, so on, etc. Now exponent means that is a power of variable. Exponent means that is the power of variable. Now next one, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So expression means combination of terms. Combination of terms. So what is meant by algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variables connected by four fundamental arithmetical operations of plus, minus, into and divide by is called algebraic expression. Are you clear? So algebraic expression means combination of constant and variable. Means a constant means numbers and variables means letters or literals. Connected by letters and numerals, letters and numbers connected by four fundamental arithmetical operations. Okay, like plus, minus, into and divide by. So is called algebraic expression. For example, 3 minus 7x. 3 minus 7x. Here 3 is a constant. 7x is a variable term. Here x is unknown value, 7 is numerical term. Okay. So 3 minus 7x. Here these two are connected by minus symbol. And second one, 9y square plus 8. 9y square plus 8. Here 9 is a constant, y square is a unknown value variable, plus 8 is a constant term. Okay. Here these two terms are connected by plus. 6 minus 7a plus 8b. Here what the constant term? 6 is a constant. 7a, this is the variable term. 7 is constant and a is a variable. 8b, 8 is a constant, b is the variable. Clear? So these are all example for algebraic expression. Okay. Now coming to next. So let us move on to the next concept. Equation. Equation means an expression contains an equal to sign. That is called equation. So already you learnt in previous class. So what is meant by equation? An algebraic expression with equal to sign is called an equation. So what are the example for equation? 6x plus 7 equal to 13. 7y minus 8 equals to 24. 3x minus 4 equal to 13 minus 7x. So these are all example for an equation. Are you clear? So example, 3x plus 7 equals to 10. Here 3x plus 7, this is the expression, algebraic expression, equals to 10. So an algebraic expression containing equal to sign is called an equation. Second one, x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0, equals to 0. And next one, 9x minus 7y equals to 10x plus 12. So 9x minus 7y is an algebraic expression, and 10x plus 12, this is also an algebraic expression. So these are having equal to sign. 9x minus 7y equals to 10x plus 12. Clear? This is also an equation. Now next point, linear equation in one variable. So what is meant by linear? Already you learned equation. So what is meant by linear? Sir, here linear means line, straight line. Linear means straight line. Linear equation in one variable. So what are the linear equation in one variable? An equation which involves only one variable with the highest power is 1 is called linear equation in one variable. So linear means straight line. Linear means straight line. So linear equation in one variable means an equation which involves only one variable with the highest power 1 is linear equation in one variable. Means if any equation contains one variable and highest power is 1, that is called linear equation in one variable. So what is the example? 3x plus 7 equals to 10. 3x plus 7 equals to 10. Here one variable x. Or the highest power 3. 3 means 3 power 0, constant value. X means x power 1. 7 means 7 power 0. What the highest power here? 1. So this is the example for 3x plus 7 equals to 10. This is the example for linear equation in one variable. Are you clear? Write down the examples. 3x plus 11 equal to 0. Here one variable x. Okay, highest power 1, x power 1. Second one, 9y minus 7 equals to 12. Here one variable y, highest power 1. Okay, and 6x minus 12 equal to 18. Here one variable x, highest power 1. So these are all the example for linear equation in one variable. Clear? Now we are going to next concept. General form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equal to 0. So compare ax plus b equal to 0 and 3x plus 7 equals to 10. Here ax means 3x. 3x in the form of ax plus b. 7 equals to b. 7 equals to b. Clear? Ax represents 3x. B represents 7. Clear? 3x plus 7 equal to 10. It is in the form of ax plus b equals to 0. Here a is coefficient of x, b is constant, and condition a not equal to 0, a not equals to 0. Suppose if a equal to 0, a into 0 means total value 0. What the remaining value? Constant value b equal to 0. It is not a linear equation in one variable. This is a constant value. Are you clear? In this equation, what the condition? Ax plus b equal to 0 is linear equation, general form of linear equation, and a not equal to 0. A not equals to 0. Now, next point. Solutions of ax plus b equal to 0. So what is the solution? Solutions of ax plus b equal to 0 is the value of x which makes LHS equal to RHS. Already you learnt in previous class. Every equation contains LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Here ax plus b is LHS and equal to 0. Okay, so RHS is 0. RHS is 0. So what is the solution? What is the solution? Ax plus b equal to 0. Now B in LHS place. Transpose B from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus B. This is written as AX equals to minus B. AX equals to minus B. Then X equals to minus B by A. X equals to minus B by A. This is the solution for given equation Ax plus B equal to 0. Are you clear? So what is the solution of Ax plus B equal to 0? X equals to minus B by A, because substitute X equals to minus B by A in the given equation, we get 0. We will get 0. Okay, that is called solution. Now next point, note the value of the variable which satisfies the given linear equation is called the solution or root of the given linear equation. So what is meant by solution or root? The value of the variable which satisfies the given linear equation is called the solution or root of the given linear equation. For example, Ax plus B equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation in one variable. So what is the solution of Ax plus B equal to 0? X equals to minus B by A. This is the solution of Ax plus B or root of Ax plus B equal to 0. So what is the root of Ax plus B equal to 0? X equal to minus B by A. What is the solution of Ax plus B equal to 0? X equals to minus B by A. Means, so what is the variable here? X. So what is the value of X? Minus B by A. Substitute minus B by A in X place, we will get 0. Clear? Suppose A into X value minus B by A. A cancel. Minus B plus B, we will get 0. 0 equal to 0. Clear? That is the solution of Ax plus B equals to 0. Solution means the value of the variable which satisfies the given linear equation is called solution or root of the given linear equation. Now next point, example. Show that x equals to 2 is solution of the linear equation 2x plus 7 is equals to 13 minus x. So what is the given question? Show that x equal to 2 is solution of the linear equation 2x plus 7 is equals to 13 minus x. So given equation is 2x plus 7 equal to 13 minus x. Given solution is or given root is x equal to 2. Now we have to prove x equal to 2 is solution of the given equation. Means substitute x equal to 2 in the given equation. If LHS equals to RHS, x equal to 2 is solution of the given equation. Otherwise x equal to 2 not solution of given equation. Substituting x equals to 2 in the given equation. LHS, what is LHS here? 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. So what is the value of x? 2. Substitute 2 in x place. 2 into 2 plus 7. 2 into 2 plus 7. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 7 is equals to 11. Okay. So what is the RHS value? 13 minus x. 13 minus x. Substitute x equals to 2 in the variable place. 13 minus x means 2. 13 minus 2, 11. Now LHS equals to RHS. Both are equal. Clear? Now RHS. RHS equals to 13 minus x. 13 minus x means 2. 13 minus 2 will get 11. So what is the value of LHS? 11. And RHS also 11. Now what do you observe? Then LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side value, right hand side value are equal. So x equals to 2 is a solution of the given equation. Clear? Now linear equation in two variables. Already linear equation in one variable over. So what is the general form of linear equation in one variable? Ax plus b equal to 0. Now we will go to linear equation in two variables. Two variables here. Okay, already two variables means either x or y. Okay, or p or q. You can take any two variables. Equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. with a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 is known as linear equation in two variables. Are you clear? Equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 is known as linear equation in two variables. Here what are the two variables? X and y are variables. X and y are variables. A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers and C is constant also. Clear? Now next one, example. So what are the suitable example for linear equation in two variables? 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Here what are the two variables here? X and y. What a constant value? Minus 1 equal 0. This is written as or 3x minus 2y is equals to, this is plus 1, move opposite side. So this minus 1, move opposite side, plus 1. This is written as 3x minus 2y equals to 1. And another example, x plus y equals to 2. X plus y is equals to 2. This is written as x plus y, this is plus 2, move opposite side, minus 2. Okay, x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So these are all example for linear equation in two variables. Now next one, general form. The general form of pair of linear equation in two variables x and y. So what is the general form of linear equation in one variable? Ax plus b equal to 0. Here general form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is the general form of linear equation in two variables. Now we want general form of pair of linear equations. Pair means two. Okay, these two are written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So this is the first equation. What is second equation? a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. What is third equation? a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0. Are you clear? So, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here, what is the condition? Where a1 not equal to 0, b1 not equal to 0. Clear? a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, and a1 not equal to 0, b1 not equal to 0, a2 not equal to 0, b2 not equal to 0, and a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. Are they clear? a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 are real numbers. a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square are also not equals to 0. So these two are general form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Now this is known as the algebraic representation of system of simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Clear? To get solutions of simultaneous linear equation in two variables, two methods are used. Already we learnt in three methods in previous class. Algebraic methods: elimination method, substitution method, dependent method. Okay, so these are all using for how to solve the given equations. How to solve the given equations. How to find the solution of given equations. Okay. Now here two methods. First one is geometrical method, means graph method, and second one is algebraic method. Algebraic method. Already you learnt in algebraic methods in previous class. Graphical method and algebraic method. Okay. Now example. Show that x equals to 2, y equals to 1 is solution of the system of simultaneous linear equations. What is given condition? So that x equals to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of system of simultaneous linear equations. So what are the given equations? 3x minus 2y equals to 4 and 2x plus y equals to 5. These two are given equations. Okay. Now putting x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 in the equation 1. So what is the equation 1? First equation, 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. 3x minus 2y equals to 4. So substitute x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Okay. So here LHS equals to 3x minus 2y. RHS equals to 4. Okay. Now 3 into x value 2 minus 2 into y value 1. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So what is the value of LHS? 4. RHS value 4. Equal or not equal? Here LHS and RHS are equal. X equals to 2 and y equals to 1 are solutions of 3x minus 2y equals to 4. Now coming to next question, 2x plus y equals to 5. Here LHS equals to 2x plus y and RHS equals to 5. Therefore, LHS equal RHS, putting x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 in the equation 2. Equation 2. So write LHS and RHS. LHS 2x plus y and RHS 5. Substitute x equals to 2 and y equal to 1 in the LHS place. 2 into x means 2 plus y means 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Okay. 4 plus 1 5. LHS equals to 5. RHS value 5. Here LHS and RHS also equal. So x equals to 2 and y equal to 1 solutions of the given equations. Okay. Now thus x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 satisfies both the given system. System means system of equations. Okay. Hence x equals to 2 comma y equals to 1 is solutions of given system of equations. Clear? Now let us move on to the next concept. Now next one, consistent system. Consistent system. This is the one of the name of equation. One of the name for equation. A system of simultaneous linear equation is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. At least one solution means consistent system means intersecting lines. Another name of intersecting lines is called consistent system. So intersecting lines contains only one solution. Another name is consistent system. And inconsistent system means a system of simultaneous linear equations is said to be inconsistent if it has no solutions. Example, parallel lines. Clear? Consistent system means intersecting lines. Inconsistent means parallel lines does not contain any solutions because it is always parallel, does not intersect at any point. Okay. Now next one, the two lines representing a pair of linear equation in two variables will intersect at a point. What the concept? The two lines representing a pair of linear equation in two variables will intersect at a point, means that is intersecting lines. So the now we are going to the picture. Okay, these two are intersecting at one point, common point, one solution, only one solution. This is consistent system. Next, if the lines are intersecting, the equations are consistent and there exists a unique solution, means one solution, and the point of intersection gives the unique solution or common solution. Okay. Now second concept, the two lines representing a pair of linear equations in two variables will not intersect or In other words, they will be parallel to each other. Okay, the two lines representing a pair of linear equation, two variables, will not intersect, means parallel, or in other words, they will be parallel to each other. Okay, so let us move on to the picture. This is the example for parallel lines. There is no common point, there is no intersecting points, means no solutions, no solutions. If the lines are parallel, we have no solution and the system is said to be inconsistent. Are you clear? Now last one is already intersecting lines over, parallel lines over. And third one, the two lines representing a pair of linear equation in two variables will be coincident. They overlap each other. Means coincident lines. Coincident lines are overlapping lines. Okay. We are going to picture. So both two lines are coincident with each other. This is the X line, this is the Y line, and this is also Z line. Okay. It contains infinitely many solutions. Intersecting line contains only one solution, unique solution. Parallel lines does not contain any solution, no solutions. Coincident lines contains infinity solutions, many solutions, many solutions. If both the equations are represented by the same line, then the two given equations are said to be dependent equations. In this case, there are infinity solutions or many solutions. Okay, clear? Coincident line contains infinity solutions or many solutions. These are all dependent equations. Okay. Intersecting line contains only unique solution, one solution. Parallel lines does not contain any solutions, means no solutions. Clear? This is the main concepts. Now, next one, home assignment. I give three questions. First one, how many solutions does the pair of equations y equal to 0 and y equal to -5 has? And second one, show that x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 solutions of 2x minus y equals to 1 and x plus 2y equals to 13. Okay, already explained one question. Substitute x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 in the given equations. And last question, define consistent comma inconsistent system of lines, means any lines. Okay, already I gave examples. In the next section we will discuss graphical solutions and our daily life questions. Okay, thank you children.